Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how you can change your logo and name of the site in 3Dcart. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go to settings and click on design and then theme and styles. When you're gonna be here, you're gonna see, when you're gonna scroll down, store name and logo, edit store settings. And here you can see right here, okay, so we got a store name, store design, and then you have a store logo, so you can just browse it and you can like upload a photo if you want to and just find something. I don't know, I have like Bluetooth here. I'm going to use that and then just click save here. And as you can see, I got a logo right here of the Bluetooth. So that's pretty much it. And this is how we do it. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. And have a great day and goodbye.